Stick around because at the end of the video, we're going to show you the removal of this ingrown hair. Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to explore the weird side of YouTube. We're also going to tell you the most searched terms on the weird side. Before we get started, please click that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. We would appreciate it very much. So, in 2012, YouTube was a bit more of the Wild West, and there were a lot of bizarre popping channels. One of these was appropriately titled The Weird Side. It showcased bizarre pseudo-medical content, and it was set to macabre or scary music. The owner recently allowed us full access into the channel, which gave us the ability to see what words people searched for as they found the so-called weird side of YouTube. Of almost 4 million search results, about 500,000 of you were searching for tonsil stones and tonsil stone removal. Let's take a look at a few examples. For educational reference, we'll put a definition of tonsil stones on the screen in a moment. If you ever get tonsil stones, we'll put a link to an amazing tonsil stone removal tool in the description below. It works wonders. The second most popular search term was botflies and botfly removal. Botflies are also known as warbleflies, heelflies, and gadflies. Their larvae are internal parasites of mammals, some species growing in the host's flesh, and others within the gut. So, what is the number one search term? It's ingrown hair. Surprise! Ingrown hair occur when a hair curls under and starts growing beneath the skin. Here are a few examples, including the one from the beginning of the video. Of course, blackheads and pimples are also popular on this channel. Speaking of which, let's learn a little about pimple popper tools. See you next time.